Hi students, welcome back to our channel Chemistry Tutor. In this section, we will cover the top most important questions and answers from this chapter. So stay tuned till the end. Let's make chemistry fun and easy to learn. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more such educational content. Let's get started. First question. Acetic acid react with solid sodium hydrogen carbonate. Options are the correct answer is option B, vigorously with effervescence. Second question, vapors of acetic acid smell. Options are right answer is option A. Third question, a student takes Na2CO3 powder in a test tube and pours some drops of acetic acid in it. He observes. Options are right answer is option C. Next question. In an experiment to study the properties of ethanoic acid, a student takes about 3 ml of ethanoic acid in a dry test tube. He adds an equal amount of distilled water to it and shakes the test tube well. After some time, he is likely to observe that options are correct answer is option B. The ethanoic acid is so readily in water. Next question. We need 20% aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide for the study of sulfonification reaction. When we open the lid of the bottle containing solid sodium hydroxide, we observe it in which form? Options are correct answer is option C, white pellet. Next one, while preparing soap, a small quantity of common salt is generally added to the reaction mixture of vegetable oil and sodium hydroxide. Which of the following may be the purpose of adding common salt? Options are answer is option D. Seventh question. Write the name and structure of an aldehyde with 4 carbon atoms in his molecules. Carbon contain 4 carbon atoms and the functional group is aldehyde. First of all, we have to draw 4 carbon atoms. And the functional group is aldehyde. That means C double bond O H. Then balance this carbon with hydrogen. So this second carbon having only 2 bonds, we know that the valency of carbon is 4. So the remaining, there is only 2 hydrogens. The next carbon atom is bonded to nearby 2 bonds and remaining 2 hydrogen. And the final carbon atom having only 1 bond and remaining 3 hydrogen. The balancing of hydrogen is depend upon the valency of carbon. That means tetravalent carbon. And finally, the name of this hydrocarbon is counting the number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom. So the word root is butane. The functional group is aldehyde. The position is 1. So 1-butanal. This is the IUPAC name of this compound, and this one is the structure of 1-butanol. 8th question. Write the molecular formula of the second and third member of the homologous where the first member is ethyl. The first member is given. You have to find out the second and third member of ethyl. The first member is given ethyl. In that case, the second member is propyl, which contains 3 carbon atoms. In that case, the molecular formula is C3H4. Third member is butyl, which contains 4 carbon atoms. So the molecular formula is C4H6. Next question, assertion and reason type question. Assertion. In a homologous series of alcohol, the formula for the second member is C2H5OH and the third member is C3H7OH. Reason. The difference between the molecular mass of the two consecutive members of a homologous series is 144. Options. Right answer is option C. A is true, but R is false. 10th question. The electron dot structure of chlorine molecule. 4 options are given. The correct answer is option C. Question. Carbon prefers to share its valence electron with other atoms of carbon or with atoms of other elements rather than gaining or losing the valence electron in order to attain noble gas configuration. Give reason to justify this statement. Carbon does not prefer gain or lose electron. The reason is 1. On gaining 4 electrons, it will form C4- ions, which is highly unstable due to the large amount of energy required to overcome the inter-electronic force of repulsion. Second reason is, on losing 4 electrons, it will form C4+ ion, which is highly unstable due to the large amount of energy required to remove 4 electrons from the carbon atom. Therefore, in order to overcome this problem, carbon prefers to share its valence electron with other atom of carbon or with atom of other elements. That means it undergo covalent bonding and attain octet electronic configuration. 12th question. The atomic number of an element X is 11. First one, write the electronic configuration of X and find its valency. Second sub-question, write the formula and nature of its oxide. The electronic configuration of X is 281. So the outermost shell contains only 1 electron. In that case, the valency also 1. Then we have to find out the formula of oxide of X. The formula is depend upon the valency of both X and O. First of all, we are writing the valency of X, that is 1, and the oxide, that means oxygen have valency 2. And interchanging their valency by cis-cross method. In that case, we will get X2O. So X2O is the formula of oxide of X. The nature of oxide of X, that is basic. In the question, draw the structure of the following compounds. A. Butanoic acid. B. Chloropentane. This one is butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. So in that case, the parent chain which contains 4 carbon atoms. First of all, you have to draw the skeleton structure of carbon. Then the functional group is oic acid, that means acid. the first position. Then are the number of hydrogen atom. Here is 2 hydrogen atom. Here also 2 hydrogen atom. And the terminal carbon contain 3 hydrogen atom. So this is the structural formula of butanoic acid. Then B. Chloropentane. Chloro is a prefix of halogen and pentane, that means 5 carbon atom. First we have to draw 5 carbon atoms. And chloro is the functional group. So we are adding Cl. Then adding hydrogen atom. Here also hydrogen. Here also hydrogen. Here 3 hydrogen atom. So these are the answers for butanoic acid and chloropentane. 14th question. Consider the following organic compounds. Here 2 organic compounds are given. First of all, you have to find out the sub-question A. Name the functional group present in this compound. Look at the diagram and analyze the functional group. The first one, CHO, that means aldehyde. Here also CHO. So in both cases, the functional group is same, that is aldehyde. Second question, write the general formula for the compounds of this functional group. So the first one, C, the number of carbon atom is 4 and hydrogen atom is, total number of hydrogen atom 6 and only 1 oxygen atom. So the formula is C4H6O. In the second example, number of carbon atom is 2, hydrogen 4, oxygen is only 1. So the molecular formula is C2H4O. C. State the relationship between these compounds and draw the structure of any other compound having similar functional group. So the answer is butanol, which having the same functional group, aldehyde. Last question, 15th one. Complete the following equation. 3 equations are given. You have to fill up this equation. Answers are given. First one, CH4 plus O2. That means methane react with the oxygen. We got the answer CO2 plus H2O. And heat and light is releasing. Second one, C2H5OH. That means ethanol react with the sulfuric acid. The answer is ethene plus water. Third one, that is NaOH react with the acid. The answer is CH3COONA and water.